Morning, people. Day 49 of whatever fucking challenge this is. 49 fucking days. Now, 49 days, mate. Okay, so literally day 49 done. So I don't know if you've been watching the whole rest of the thing, but a few days ago I had a little wobble, and it does take time because obviously like I battle with my whole head. So I'm like, I've tried to override every urge. Just like, don't go to the gym, don't do this, don't do that, don't do this. Oh, because you haven't got your book, because you haven't got your water bottle, your headphones are still in your car. I'm obviously borrowing my friend's car. And like, you know, I sabotage myself, basically. That's what it is. So I am just fighting to continue to do it. And if some days all I'm doing is my weight set, that's... If you understood how fucking amazing it is, because I never used to be able to do that. I never used to have the power to be able to just go, oh, fuck it. Like, you can do it anyway. You can do it anyway. I kind of have, but not with the gym. It's easier to give up, innit? Or it's easier to, yeah. Obviously, my adrenaline's running, so...